What's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Oh wait, California Special, GT Mustang Edelbrock Supercharger. That's our 560E kit. We installed Detroit rocker cams, BBK long tube headers. Let's check it out. All right, before we make the pull, I'm going to show you the engine compartment like I always do. I have Doug with me today, he'll help me out. So this is our Edelbrock Supercharger, 2.3 liter intercooled. It's our 560E package, about 560 flywheel horsepower on 93 octane pump gas. And this car right here, well, look at the air filter. 5 years ago, we installed the Supercharger. You can tell it's been driven. The car right now is about 63,000 miles, I believe. We installed a Detroit rocker camshafts. We installed a set of BBK long tube headers. It does have Roush exhaust on the back. Car's pretty loud. We're gonna make a Dyno pull so you can hear it. But our 560E package is a very reliable package. You get a set of colder spark plugs, larger fuel injectors. It's intercooled, Penny Bell booster pump, proper calibration, of course, the Edelbrock cold air intake. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna hop in the car, we're gonna make a Dyno pull, see what it makes now. Back when it was stock engine with the Supercharger. So I mean, no cams, no headers. I think it was about 459 raw horsepower. So let's see what the new mods did. Let's get to it. Oddly enough, our air is abnormally good today. So Doug, come over here, look at these numbers. I made 2 pulls. 506 real horse, a 600, 498, backed it up with a 478 torque, 466. Now, most of the time when I do these cars with the Edelbrock or Detroit rocker cams, BBK headers, your real horsepower is gonna be very similar to that. The torque is typically a little bit lower because of the intake temps, the air. It was just really cool today. And the knock sensors were adding timing. So down low, below about 5,500 RPM, the knock sensors were adding a couple degrees, raising our torque a little bit. I would expect normally to see about 440 torque to 450 the tires for this package, but the car liked it and made good power, 478 torque and 506 roll horse on that first pull. Backed up to 498, like I said, 466. So cool car. If you have questions about this, leave a comment, happy to answer. I will, like always, put links in the description so you read more about this. You have 3-valve Mustang, as well as if you have how much it costs to get installed in my car. Well, email quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.